Open Settings on your Realme phone. Scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Now tap on Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Toggle it on if it's off. Go back to Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Backup and Reset. Tap on Reset Phone. Then select Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset to confirm. This will clear all saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data settings. Go back to the main settings page. Tap on About Phone. Check if your phone's software is up to date. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. Now go back to your home screen and restart your phone. Once your phone is back on, go to Settings and tap on Wi-Fi. Find your network and tap on it. Enter your Wi-Fi password correctly and connect. Your Wi-Fi should now connect without any problem. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.